Fall again. Just one more thing I needed to show you guys before I put this belt back on the engine. This is the original. This is the actual belt. The customer told me the belt's been replaced before. I can tell it's new, but one thing I do every time I do a drive belt or a timing belt, I usually put it in a bottle like this and I spray this in there. Get the rubber covered with this stuff here. It's called Protecting 303. It's for rubber care, like your seats and things like that. You can use for interior. What I do, I soak it in here, in this one here, like that, and then I take it out. Make sure I just check it and just spin it around. Make sure, especially this side here, with the ripped stuff. Make sure it's all covered. And once you take it out, like that, I use the bottle because otherwise it will go everywhere. And now that's the stuff I use. So now it's all covered. And then just sort of move it around with your hand like that. So you just pretty much work it into the belt. And this will stop. If you have a noisy belt, you spray that stuff in there and that noise will go away. Instantly go away. Never come back. Right? Unless your tensioner is not that good or the belt is not adjusted properly. But if the belt is adjusted properly and the actual noise still there, spray that stuff in there, or I guarantee 100% will go away. Alright? This will make the belt last longer. So even if the belt is brand new, they're dry. They're really, really dry. So you need to actually... So every time I do a minor service, I take the belt out again. I don't have to take it out. What I do, I just spray in the car from the bottom. Like that. And once you get it running, see? All the stuff's in there. And then you put it in the car. Alright? Give it a light wipe down. Just a little light one. But what I do, I just leave it. Because I need the stuff in there to stay there. Alright, once you finish that, put it in the car, and then this belt will last probably, if you do this on every service, you'll never ever have to change the belt for a long time. Because you're looking after your belt. It's funny how you change the oil, but you don't look after the other stuff. So you need to look after the other stuff as well. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.